With 30 days left until the IPMAT, the window to improve your quant score is closing. Every hour counts. Panic often leads students to attempt a 100% syllabus completion right now. They spend these final weeks trying to learn complex, unfamiliar topics from scratch. Instead of trying to master the unknown, freeze all new learning today. If you have covered 60% of the syllabus, the most effective path forward is to push that specific 60% to absolute mastery. We are going to build a 3-phase daily routine designed to extract every possible point from your existing knowledge. Competitive exams reward students who can identify the problems they know how to solve, execute them flawlessly, and ignore the rest. To decide where your focus goes this month, we filter every quants topic through a return on investment framework. This matrix identifies which topics yield the most points. High ROI topics like percentages, profit and loss, ratios, and time, speed, and distance make up over half of the actual exam paper. These concepts rely on a finite set of repeatable calculation patterns. Mastering them provides a reliable path to solving a major portion of the test. The medium ROI group includes progressions, logarithms, matrices, and functions. These are the rank makers. While these topics are essential for a high rank, they often contain trap questions designed to drain your time. Even with a strong conceptual grasp, a difficult logarithms problem can cost you 5 minutes without yielding a correct answer. Low ROI subjects include advanced geometry, binomial theorem, and complex trigonometry. Skip these entirely unless your core syllabus is perfect. The time required to learn these formulas outweighs the likelihood of them appearing on the test. This categorization creates a strict boundary, preventing you from wasting energy on low-yield traps and forcing your focus onto point-heavy concepts. Translating this ROI strategy into a higher score requires a rigid daily schedule for the next 30 days. Your daily target is solving 40 to 50 targeted quants questions. This output is a more accurate measure of progress than the number of hours you sit at your desk. During the first 60 minutes, review your short notes and solve 10 to 15 basic foundational questions to calibrate your thinking. Devote the next 90 minutes to intense practice, solving 25 to 30 advanced level questions without interruptions. The final 30 minutes must be spent on a mandatory performance analysis. This is where you identify exactly where you are losing points. You will record these findings in a physical error notebook. Logging your mistakes here prevents you from repeating them during the actual exam. Divide your errors into 2 categories. Silly mistakes, like misreading the prompt, indicate a need for better focus. Conceptual mistakes, where you didn't know the next logical step, indicate a need for immediate topic revision. Practicing without analyzing these errors reinforces bad habits. The time you spend dissecting your mistakes is what actually increases your score. Now we apply this 3-hour protocol to a 30-day calendar. Phase 1 focuses on high ROI mastery. You will tackle 2 topics per day, aiming for 20 questions each. Phase 2 shifts to the medium ROI rank spurs. Because these concepts are more complex, you will focus on strictly 1 topic per day and complete 30 to 40 questions. During this phase, you must also add a 40 to 60-minute sectional test to your routine to build stamina for the quant sections. Phase 3 is a lockdown period. You will pivot exclusively to full mocks on a daily or alternate day basis. The goal here is mastering question selection. If a problem takes more than 3 minutes, drop it immediately. Practice scanning the test in batches of 5. Solve the easy targets first, bookmark the medium difficulty problems, and ignore the time-draining traps. This sequence moves from foundational accuracy to rank-building speed, closing the gap between your practice sessions and the actual exam format. Solving 40 questions daily for 30 days yields 1,200 completed problems. This volume exposes you to the majority of variations and trap patterns examiners use. By systematizing the 60% of the syllabus you already know, you remove the uncertainty that causes exam day panic. Set up your physical error notebook today and draw this 30-day timeline. Pin it to the wall where you study. Start Phase 1 tomorrow morning. Select your first 2 high ROI topics and hit your 40-question quota. The 30-day preparation system replaces panic with a predictable daily output, turning the final month into a controlled lead-up to the exam.